Hi mga dear, shop with me today, and today is a grocery day and I am with Cheeks. Period. Today is a quick restock lang. Like, di naman ako masyado mag-grocery masyado. Okay, first order of business, I'm gonna get some jam kasi yung jam na nabili ko last time na bulok. And now I'm gonna try this raspberry jam naman. Di ba bumili ako ng jam last time? Inamag siya dear, over. At na lang pala, parang mas bet ko to kasi this is locally made. I'm also sharing a cart pala with Chicken.
Hello.
Ito yung current hyperfixation ni Chicks lately, mga mamahaling tubig. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. That's his favorite water.
Ito yung gusto ko. I like this kasi because of the bottle.
Hindi ko alam yung ibibilin ko ngayon. Wala akong idea sa groceryhin ko. I'm just following Chicken kung saan siya pumupunta. Which is, ayun yung POV nyo sa loob ng bag ko. Hala, buy ka ng juice. Ayun, sige na. Para meron akong inamin sa'yo.
Ayoko ng cranberry.
Healthy yan sa heart.
Milkshake brings all the boys to the farm.
Ngayon ako nakita ng ganito kaliit na all-purpose cream. Tawag dyan. All-purpose cream! Tagal. Tara na. Dahil mag-shopping ni Chicken, grabe. Dahil gutom na ako. Nakapili ka na? Bigat na ng cart. We are currently separating our orders. Packing my own grocery. Get the goods. Okay, we're here sa Pet Express. I'm gonna buy quirkies, mga Paleo Pet na mga maliliit. Grabe, ang daming stock ng Paleo Pet here. I'm getting my baby some small ones kasi this is his favorite na food stopper. See, he's been a picky eater lately, so I need to spoil him a little. And I think deserve naman niya. Way home.